In this lab, we'll be calculating the enthalpy change for a calcium chloride solution. First, we'll measure the initial temperature of 100 milliliters of water. Then we'll add 10 grams of calcium chloride and see how the temperature of the solution changes as the compound dissociates in the water. We use the styrofoam cup calorimeter to prevent heat from escaping from the system or being absorbed from the surroundings. Our final temperature is 29 degrees, so the temperature rose 6 degrees after we added the calcium chloride.